Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I am going to guide you through how you can disable voice calls online. So, let's get started. Firstly, open Line app in your device. Then tap on Settings icon. Then scroll until you find Calls. Next, tap on it. After that, you can see the option of Allow Voice Calls. Turn off it by tapping on it. So, this is how you can disable voice calls online. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.